How to lock-unlock keyboard on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to lock or unlock your keyboard on a Windows 10 PC or laptop, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Now let's start with the simplest method, using a keyboard shortcut. Unfortunately, Windows 10 doesn't have a built-in shortcut to lock just the keyboard, but you can use third-party tools like Kid Key Lock. Here's how to use it. First, download and install Kid Key Lock from their official website. After installation, run the program. Then, you'll see an icon in your system tray. Right-click it and select Lock Keyboard. And that's it. Your keyboard is now locked. To unlock it, you'll need to enter the password you set up during installation. If you want to lock your entire system, including the keyboard, just press Windows plus L. To unlock the keyboard if you used Kid Key Lock, just right-click the icon in the system tray and select Unlock Keyboard. If you lock the entire system with Windows plus L, simply sign back in with your password or PIN. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide to locking and unlocking your keyboard on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.